Welcome back! Today our video is going to be about pruning blueberries. I'm excited to get into the garden. It is supposed to get really cold tonight. They're calling for snow. It's supposed to be like 4 to 6 inches of snow. I was probably supposed to prune them a long time ago, but whatever. Doing it today. This is when I got the chance. We are gonna do a few tips and tricks, learn a few things about it. I've learned a lot this past 2 years. We made our blueberry bed in 2020. We added to our garden a whole lot, and so we added 2 blueberry bushes, and that's what we're gonna be pruning today. So I'm not by no means an expert, but a few things I've learned along the way, and I want you guys to come see it with me. So let's go to the blueberries. Okay, there's a kitty. Here are my blueberry plants. These blueberry plants and this blueberry bed we planted in 2020, so a couple years old. I did not prune them last year because I just didn't really know too much about it. I've learned a lot of this stuff pretty recently. It's usually good to prune while it's cold out or while it's winter because you don't have that like leaf canopy. You have, you can see through because there's no leaves. So you can see the old wood and the new wood. You want to prune 3 of these: diseased, damaged, or dead. You want to prune anything like that. Also, oh yeah, I got these little alcohol wipes. You always want to wipe off your shears before you're pruning stuff. Make sure nothing from last year or any other kind of disease is on there. You don't want to infect your plants. So I'm just wiping this down real easily. I know that you want to keep a bunch of the branches because you think that you'll just get more blueberries, but it's really more beneficial to prune them when you have all those limbs. The plant is putting its efforts into growing that limb, into growing those leaves on that limb, not necessarily putting its production its growing into the production of the fruit, which is what we want because we want blueberries. Most people say don't prune more than 30% of your plant, so that's what we're going to try to do today. Most blueberries, you need 2 of them to cross-pollinate. That's why we have 2 of them right here. And they're already getting buds and everything, so we may have to cover them up for this frost tonight, this snow. But right now we're going to prune. Okay, I hope this shows up good on this camera. See this blueberry plant? Pretty scraggly. We got some small growth in there. See right here how this is like a beige, more of a beige color, and then these are more red. That means all this is new growth and this bottom is old growth. And blueberries will produce on old growth, but we still just don't want all of this going on. But yeah, let's start taking some branches off. We want a lot of airflow. We don't really want any crossing branches either. So you see how those are crossing? Okay, first, diseased, damaged, or dead. Seems pretty diseased, damaged to me. I'm just gonna take this whole thing out. All this little stuff. We don't want all that. Oh, it's dead. Let's see. I'm gonna open it up. None of the ends look really dead or anything. I can't decide if I want to take this whole branch or maybe let's do this one. still have this What to do? What to do? Well, so we can keep that, we'll take out that one. We don't want all this small growth down here. Remember, we want to put all the energy into these upper branches. Oh, it's pretty hard to decide what's the right direction to go. They're almost veering off. Those are almost, let's just cut that. All this small stuff. Gotta go. Yeah, gotta go. Yeah, gotta go. It's looking better. Yeah, let's move on to the next one, and we might come back to this. Now this one, guys. This one has a lot of old growth. This little spindly stuff. This one's a lot bigger, but yeah, we're gonna cut off a lot of this. So I'll start with, let's see, what's crossing? Those are crossing. It's a lot. Let's get rid of this one since it's touching this one over here. Get rid of this whole one. Nice. Remember we said we don't want this small stuff down here, this spindly stuff. Get rid of that. What is this one doing? What is this one doing? Let's set up the tripod, because I don't feel like I'm doing very well at holding it and showing you. Maybe I can do it a little better if I'm still. Alright. All this small stuff, I'm just not sure what to do about it. Should I get rid of one of these giant ones? I don't know. Let's definitely get rid of this thing. What to do? What to do? This one. Go ahead and get rid of that one just because it's crossing. Spindly. Here's a dead tip. Here's a dead tip. Here's a dead tip. Hopefully you can see this. On the other side of the bush, I guess we'll get rid of this one since it's kind of crossing those other ones. We'll keep this one branch. We'll see how it goes. Because it's not competing with anything. Now up top, here's a, cut a little bit off. I'm gonna cut some more. These little branches that are crossing. Take that off. I think he's looking pretty good. Gotta take that off. I don't know. Is that good, you think? Look, Kiki. Oh, dead tip. Good too. Now these are definitely crossing. I don't really want to get rid of the whole giant stem. Yeah, shit. Oh no. What do you guys think? Because I have no idea. Maybe just anything that's almost crossing. There we go. Oh, they're not really competing with each other. Alright. I think that looks pretty good. Don't you think? Oh, good tip. Okay, I think I'm done. I think I did pretty good. We will see as time goes on and as they grow. We'll see if I did a good job. Now I'm going to get all these weeds out because, you know, that can't be helping. Bam! That easy. See how pretty it looks now? All those weeds gone. And what I'm gonna do here sometime is take all that straw off, put more compost down, and then I will, oh yeah, I'm gonna plant some strawberries in here because I saw that on another YouTube channel and I love strawberries, so why not plant them underneath the blueberries? Yay! Doing? He's all the way in the hole. Thank you so much for being here with me, hanging out with me, learning about plants, because plants are life. If you have any tips and tricks for me, let me know. Comments below. Thanks for being here today. We'll see you next time. Catch you on the flip side. What a goof.